civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. New Mexico, at 10:44 p.m. on November 25th, 2023, effective until 10:59 p.m. Artesia, NM. The following information is for the distribution of an Amber Alert from the Artesia Police Department. For details, please contact the Artesia Police Department at 575-746-5000. The Artesia Police Department is asking the public for assistance in locating Lilith Ellis, a 2-year-old female who is 2 feet tall and weighs 30 pounds. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. She was last seen in pink and green pajamas. She was involved in a violent incident this morning on the 800 block of Cannon and taken from that scene by Ricky Ellis, 54, of Artesia. He is 5 foot 9 inches tall and weighs 150 pounds. He has salt and pepper hair and blue eyes. His clothing description is not known. He is believed to be armed and dangerous. They are believed to be traveling in a black 2012 Dodge 1500 pickup truck with bullet holes on the passenger side. It has a New Mexico license plate of Blair 36. Their destination is not known, and many details are still under investigation. However, of urgent concern is the whereabouts of Lilith Ellis. Anyone with any information regarding this New Mexico Amber Alert is asked to call the Artesia Police Department at 575-746-5000 or dial 911.